All right, so this video is going to show you how to access the practice quiz in D2L to make sure Respondus is working for you. It doesn't really matter which class you're in, this process will be the same. So you'll head on to quizzes and then practice quiz. All right, and there's some details there. We're going to lock down browser. And I usually have to click this close application and continue twice. I've tried closing them myself and it's never happy, so I just have it do it for me. All right, so we're going to start the quiz. You're going to read the terms of use and agree to it. You're going to do a webcam check, and do I see my image? Yes. Record a 5-second video. So just sing the alphabet or something for 5 seconds.
Record a 5-second video.
Make sure you can hear yourself.
So
read the instructions here. If you guys are allowed to use a cheat sheet or something, then it'll say that here. And then it says to avoid rooms with children or other people, turn off televisions, radio, music, run the webcam check and system network check in lockdown browser prior to starting. Make sure you have good internet and that people aren't using up all the internet in your house at the moment. This says to not be on a bed or a couch or have the computer on your lap. Make sure you have good lighting and don't wear a hat or sunglasses. And make sure you don't have any other devices within your reach. Right now I have my phone because I'm recording this. And then we're going to take a picture, so get nice and close. And then I'm going to hold up my ID. And that's how I always do that backwards. Take picture. It's my CCD ID, and then start recording. So at this point, okay, it's gonna go black for a second. I'm gonna pick my computer up and scan my environment. So that notebook back there shouldn't be there. And then this is what I have in front of me, just to show that you don't have, your whole notebook or whatever. And then stop recording after you've done the environment check.
Recording. So at this point, okay, it's gonna go black for a second.
Continue, and then begin exam. So that whole process took about 2 minutes. And then you don't want to click this until you've done this part. So we're going to click the practice quiz and hope that it works. Yay, it does. So we're going to click start, and I don't think I can make this any bigger for you guys, but the questions are really easy, so I'm just going to answer them. There's only 3 here. Oops. And then the last one is the sounds that animals make. So if English isn't your first language, this might be a little harder, but a cow goes moo, so cow moo. Cat is meow, and dog arf. All right, I got them all right, so I'm gonna click the little blue button up here that says done, and then I want to go back here and make sure I can open up the calculator. So the calculator's in Desmos, and it's in a new tab, so you guys can go back and forth when you need a calculator. And then I'm going to say that it went great and submit my quiz. And I still have to manually grade those. So it says that I got a 0, but that's because I have to manually go in. This is where you tell Lockdown Browser if you had any trouble with the software itself. I didn't, so I'm just going to hit submit and then done, exit, and then you're finally out of you're back to like a normal screen.